Welcome to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to be talking about one of your favorite 87s. Matter of fact, he's one of Jamaica's most wanted man. Them recently catch him in a Cayman. Yeah, go on hear about it. But before I'm going further, I have to address the elephant in the room. Now you might notice for the past 3 days or so, there hasn't been any videos. That's because I had to literally stop doing everything else I do and focus on one thing. See, when we first start the movement, when I would first start put out videos out there, I had this idea in my head about a type of person I would love to contact me. That opportunity presented itself. Now originally, I planned to drop the video today, but the source requested I hold off for a little bit. If I get a presented and somebody tell us say you can't open it until this day, well, that's exactly how I feel. But I have to respect the wishes of the source. In my opinion, this will be the magnum opus of the entire Politricks Watch movement. In the past couple of days, I've seen and heard more eye-opening intel than the entire 3 years this platform is up and running. Say no said serious. Big up the PIA, big up the Patreon squad. Really wish I could drop that video today, but it's soon drop. And when I say soon, when I talk Caribbean soon, I can mean like 2026. Now I know some people are gonna say, see, you might go on like say something big like a drop to them. I know it's a unicorn meet, you know. Just to make up things to get views. Alright, no problem, man. Alright, man. Anyway, we can move into the video. So, recently hear me talk about Boxer, Rudolph the Red-Nosed 87. Them catch him at Cayman. Big movie star chase through the streets of Cayman. They end up lick up in a police car. 2 men in the car, one of them get there, but one of them catch is none other than Boxer. The same Boxer, right, that is #1 on St. Catherine most wanted list. The same Boxer, right, where police are search all over Jamaica for. Cayman him there. According to the Cayman police, him take boat from Jamaica to Cayman. The police even put out a big statement say the Cayman Islands is not a safe haven for criminals. And anybody who thinks them can go Cayman go lay low, they have a next thing coming that the Cayman police say. So now I wonder how much more wanted man from Jamaica, the Cayman. Because you see, Cayman is a place where you wouldn't really think to look first. I know some of the other small island them, right, 87s them, wouldn't go over the regular. As you can remember, the whole Yekak Walker story, a Jamaican man was wanted, but him go Trinidad, got on security guard. Him end up losing life and some people realize, hold on, now Yekak Walker that wanted man of Jamaica. Now, this is what no people need to consider. The whole wanted man from Jamaica are running go other islands, right? Especially islands that are not known for having a crime problem. Like Cayman is a place where, from what I'm seeing online, can have 3-4 murders in a 1 year. I mean, it's a small island, but you can still compare it to some Jamaican parish. So when time somebody have 3 murder, 4 murder for the year, right, the last thing they want to see is 87, especially when the 87 right, come from another country. And what now people don't think about is the fact that enough time the good end up suffer for the bad. Because Cayman is a place where you know enough Jamaican go work, right, and make their money because the Cayman money is very strong. Countries start to do the whole, well, you see what's happening? These Jamaicans are coming over here with their foolishness, so I guess they're going to have to bring in some stricter policies. I guess they're going to have to tighten up, right, our shores, because when I read the article and I mentioned say, the fact say Boxer could get in a Cayman too easy, they might wonder how much more wanted man did it. So you know that mean now. Next thing you say, they might go start bringing in this and bringing that, and then they must say, well, alright, you need this to come a Cayman, but no, you need this too, and you need this too. And then start add on things and add on things. And next thing you know, the working man, the working woman who not have nothing to do with no badness, not nothing to do with no crime, right, end up start to suffer. I'm telling you, say, 87s, gangs, criminality have a serious impact on the lives of regular citizens. And one of the biggest impact is the economic impact. Not only do they destroy their local communities, because nobody no want go in there, go party, nobody no want go in there, go buy from the shop them, nobody no want go in there, go do them ear and them nails, even though enough talented people live in the inner cities. But gangs make people afraid. That not good enough for them. They want to make countries start bringing all kind of policies to now stop Jamaicans who want to travel to go abroad to go work and make some money. So this is why enough of the people who cut them eye and say, well, this is not food with me just go on my work and me travel go do my business. You're frightened to see one of them there. The requirements to me need change up on you. And you ask about why. And you go here, well, we start to realize the Jamaicans come to a place and things start going. You're frightened to see one of them there. When time you turn up to go renew visa or renew this, you hear say, well, there's some new requirements. And you say, well, oh, for the whole world? And them say, no, not for the whole world. Just Jamaicans. It's happened before. It's happened in many countries. Because enough place, you could have traveled one time with just your Jamaican passport. Back in the day, people just have them passport, them travel, then go work and make them money, right, touch back a yard, build all house and them sitting there. And when it happen, all Jamaicans are going to do a ball and say, see, they might give you a fight, they might give you a fight. Now, going back to boxer. Here is the catch-22 for Jamaica. The fact say boxer run the Cayman Islands means a boxer and mark them can tear up Spanish Town. But now that they catch boxer and they'll be sending boxer back to Jamaica, if the security forces can't hold on upon him, can't charge him, even charge him, he go get bail. That means Spanish Town might get spooky again. Because boxer and mark them that take the place. So by leaving the country and going to another country, right, the place actually get a break. But the country where them run go don't want Jamaica's problem. So now, if they send them back to Jamaica, things get spooky again. As far as Jamaica is concerned, if every gunman decides say they might jump on a boat, that would be the best thing for Jamaica. But no foreign country don't want Jamaican 87s. I wonder if the Jamaican government can work out a deal, right, where them get like an island, somewhere in the Pacific, and say, here we are going to send every 87 and every kerosene on that island. I want us to live together in a city. Kerry, go on. You can go there with J-Boy. A Funa place, Funa Island. Even if Jamaica have to buy that island, in the long run, it work out cheaper. Because the cost for fight crime, the cost for put man through the courts, the cost to keep man in the jailhouse, it probably work out cheaper if we just buy one island. Send them go there, all 87, all 90, right, all 116, all kerosene and a fill them island. And then now, only can just compete who the baddest man alive because you be on an island with nothing but bad man. And then the rest of Jamaica can just carry on. But then I wonder how long them will last for them kill off each other. Because in Jamaica, them can extort law-abiding citizens. Them can extort and bully taxi man. Right? People who not gun and who can't fight back. What gonna happen in time the world them a bad man, and the world them a killer, and the world them have gun? That island is going to be a very spooky place. And I'm listening to hear what's going to happen when Boxer drop back at Jamaica. It's just a shame that the only way the place get any real quiet is if the man them left the island. We have to hope say 87 run there. You get like a piece of Jamaica. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Go to the squad, stay circling. Bless.